Alright, well, hey everybody, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be going over using the social engineering toolkit to perform social engineering attacks. One of the things that you're going to do is create a phishing email. So let's get started here. Yes, I'm on a timer, but that's okay. I'm not going to really worry too much about this. So the first part of the SET lab, you're going to be going through actually the options in the SET lab, in the SET toolkit. Sorry about that. And first thing that we're going to do is log in as root. Okay. Once you log in as root, there's a couple little things I want you to change first. Okay. One of my classmates, actually one of my learners, actually brought this to my attention that you can change the display settings within the Kali Linux VM. So what you're going to do is click the little drag and start menu button right here, type display. You're going to go ahead, hit that, and then you're going to change this. Best thing to do is to change it to this 680 by 1050. This is going to take a lot of the real estate, but not all of the real estate here. Okay, as you can see, and then you want to keep this configuration. Second change that you want to do is take this slider bar, bring it over here a little bit, and then change the font to where you can see it a little bit better, because the second part is going to be crucial to where you need to type in some emails, and you want to be able to make sure that these emails are correct. Okay, or they will score your lab wrong. So we already did this. We maximized the terminal window. We started the SET toolkit. Make sure you check these off so you get correct scoring. And oh, sorry, we didn't do that part. So let's go ahead and open up the terminal window now, and let's type in SE toolkit. All right, so you're going to be going through the menu options here where it says social engineering. You're going to do this, and you're going to check off step 5. To get into that, you're going to go ahead and you're going to look at this list and see what is supported. So if you look at this, let's go down the list. We have Arduino based, yep, it's there, so we don't worry about that. Wireless is also there, right under Arduino. We see PowerShell, and we see spear phishing. So the only one that's missing is SQL injection, so it's not here, it's separate. And that's cool. So now we're going to go ahead and go to step 6, and you're going to select hit 1 to go into the spear phishing vector attack vectors. And you're going to see the options. You're going to do 99, so that you're going to type 99 so it goes back to the main menu. And you're going to do this for a good portion of the lab. I'm going to pause the video right now. I'm going to do this, go through these. You're going to do this for everyone here, but we're going to come back on steps 4 and 5. Okay, so now I'm on step 12. I've already done the other ones because it's just basically going back and forth. We're going to go into step 4. This is the payload listener. You're going to do this. Now it tells you that you can, if you want to exit out, to use the Control C tab, the Control C. Okay, and now you're out of that. Step 13 is done, so you want to go back into the social engineering attack. Oops, backspace there. Perfect. And now we're back to our menu items. So now check off step 14 and go to step 15, which is the mass mailer, which we'll be using in the next lab. At 5, you're going to see the options that you have here, and then check off step 15 before going on to 16, and do not select yes. You're going to select no here to go back, and if your mouse doesn't click, make sure you click in here. There we go, and now you're back. Okay, if you want to go back to the main menu, you're going to press Control C, and that brings you back to the social engineering attacks. 17. And then the rest of the labs are still going through the rest of the menu items. You're going to do the Arduino based, It's going to have you go back. You're going to do this all the way through the last one, which is third-party modules, and then you're going to leave the terminal window open. I'm going to do these really quick. I don't need to be videoing these right now because it's just going back and forth. So I'm going to pause the video and move on. Okay, so I've done all of them. I'm back to my main, I went back in here because I'm going to go back into it to the next one. So I'm going to leave it here. Step 29, step 28, we go to 99, hit enter, and then we're back to the social engineering attack menu. We're going to check off step 29 and then make sure we do all these here. And then now we're going to go create a spear phishing message.